In this short tutorial, we're going to have a look at how to create a group on Telegram on the iPhone. Let's dive right into it. First of all, please open up Telegram. At the bottom, make sure that Chats is selected. Then in the upper right corner of the screen, tap on the pen and paper icon. And then select New Group. You will then get to this screen here where you can actually invite people from your contact list to join the new group. If you don't want to add people from your contact list to your new group, then simply type on Next here in the upper right corner of the screen. Now give your group a name. Once you've done that, in the upper right corner of the screen, tap on Create. If you would like to add members to your group now, simply tap on Add Members here on top. And then either choose from your contacts or tap here where it says Invite to Group via link. And then copy the invite link right here by tapping on this icon here. And then tap Copy, or you can also tap Get QR Code if you want to share it via QR code to share your new group to selected people. In any case, if you create a public group, people can also easily find this group directly via Telegram. Let me quickly show you how. First of all, I'm quickly going to reopen Telegram. Then again, at the bottom, make sure that Chats is selected and then tap on the search field here on top. You can then search for groups right here. Make sure that Chats here is selected, and you can then search for public groups by simply inputting the group name right here in the search field. And just like that, I found our newly created group right here, and below that I also found some other groups with similar names. And this is how you create a group on Telegram on the iPhone. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more Telegram tutorials.